Congratulations to all the Indians. Neeraj has got a silver medal even if he was injured, he was having severe groin pain and shoulder pain. So, thank you so much, Neeraj. And like this play where we require a lot of trunk control and lot of rotation movements, the analysis of his where he went wrong in this action, I have analyzed through my point of view. So you can see he's wearing a lumbar belt and also a K tape on the inner side of his elbow. So the way he had thrown, and then after the throw he fell down, so that means he was not able to hold his trunk in a erect position. So his issue basically, what I feel, is his hip are weak. That's why when he was getting that momentum, he was started with his running, his legs were getting adducted, the inner thigh muscles were working more in his case. So when the inner thigh muscles were working more, the hips were not able to sustain his erect posture. So once the throw was done, he fell down in the front. Secondly, the force generated from the core was very weak. His oblique, there might be definitely some issue with his obliques, and the pelvic floor was very tight. So when I have seen him talking that time also, I felt that his jaw was not able to open up completely. So the jaw definitely affects the pelvis. So I think we need to work more on his jaw, and jaw TMJ is always an emotional component. So we need to take out the emotions which are stored in his TMJ, and that is a jaw joint. And once that jaw joint is open, his pelvis will get open. Once the pelvis is open, his hip will be able to fire properly, and he will be able to hold his trunk in an erect posture on a stable hip, which is the left side, and then he can rotate his hip so that the throw from the shoulder will be up to the mark. Now he is showing some elbow injury on the right side, but that injury is coming from his weak core. And what's the reason behind the weak core? It's the weak hip. And why the hip is weak? Because his pelvis is affected. And why pelvis is affected? His jaw. So end with jaw.